Hello everybody, my name is Khalid the Workaholic. Welcome to my TECNO Phantom 9 unboxing video and camera tests. Let's go. So before we get on with the video, I should mention that if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I make daily vlogs, well not really daily but almost daily. I make travel videos, reviews and photography tutorials every now and then, and I am this close to getting my first 1,000 subscribers. So please, you guys help me make that happen. It will really mean a lot to me. TECNO Mobile just sent me my new TECNO Phantom 9, but it came in an entire gift box, so I am not exactly sure what are the things we have in this box, although I am sure that the TECNO Phantom 9 is somewhere in this box. So we'll just go on ahead and unravel the mystery that TECNO Mobile has put for us here. A little like pigeonhole here. I guess I have to dip my hands inside here to find out what we have. I think I'll just take this whole thing off. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I feel like this is that headrest you put like on your neck or something when you're on an airplane. But this is a little like backpack, and it has the Manchester City crested logo here. We have a kind of like a rechargeable fan. I'm not sure if it's rechargeable or USB powered. I guess one of the two, but yeah, it's a fan. A selfie ring lights, tooth speaker, and we have a Phantom 9 wine. Oh my god, this is amazing. 10.5% alcohol volume. I guess I'll give this away. A TECNO umbrella. Finally, we have our TECNO Phantom 9. And guys, guess what? It's a customized version. Yes, my own customized TECNO Phantom 9. Look at that. This is my name, Abdusalam Hamza. I know you guys call me Khalid, but best believe it, my official name, like my name at birth, is actually Hamza. So when it comes to matters like this, I like to use Hamza so that they won't mistake my identity for someone else's. Yeah, customized TECNO Phantom 9. Thank you, TECNO Mobile, for sending all of the stuff. I really appreciate. Also, it is important to note that prior to the launch of the TECNO Phantom 9, I was in Lagos where I experienced, the camera side of the Phantom 9 for a couple of hours. But finally, I have the TECNO Phantom 9 right here with me, a customized one for that matter, which I'm very excited about. We'll just do the unboxing right now and then we'll head out for a real world camera test. Knife, please. Really? Kitchen knife? Come on, come on. Am I supposed to cut it like onion? Anyway guys, this is a very clean box. It literally has nothing on the box except for the TECNO logo, the Phantom 9 logo, and of course my name. I don't know, I feel like I've said that so much, but you guys get the point. I mean, it has my name on it. I probably think I'm the only guy who is not a celebrity who has a customized TECNO Phantom 9. So, I mean, mixed feelings, All right, we got it open. Okay. Hey, look at that. It's actually very beautiful, like minimalistic design. It just has a 9 on it, and then you open it, whoop, and then you come out, and then this part becomes totally useless. Except that it has my name on it. I'm probably going to hang it on the wall, maybe something like this, but whoop. Yeah, and to the back of the device, you have a couple of specifications: AI triple camera setup, in-display fingerprint scanner, dual front flashlight, 128 GB of ROM, and 6 GB of RAM, which is quite amazing. By the way, this is not going to be a full-on specification of this device. It's probably just me unboxing the device, and we'll go out to do a camera test. If you want the specification, I'll have it on my website, and you can find the description down below. First of all, you have your SIM ejection tool, which is pretty standard. You have like some, user warranty card. You have a user manual. I don't know why they put a user manual. I don't think anybody reads that, but here you have a user manual. And you have like a case. I think it's like a silicone. No, actually, this is pretty. I think I am going to use this. No, this is actually really nice. And it has like a little TECNO printed here. It's not bright. It's not anything. It's not distractive, just in case you don't want to show the device you're actually using. It's pretty hidden, and it looks really nice. And here we have our device, and at the front again we have a couple of specifications as I mentioned before. And I think this has to be, also it has my name. It has my name just everywhere. I'm sorry, just it has my name again. Woo-hoo. I mean, I've seen this device before while I was in Lagos testing out the camera of the device, but just seeing this right here just makes a whole lot of difference. And look at that, can you guys see my name? Like it's just on it. It's really pretty, it's subtle. I'll just go on and put it in the case so we actually see what it looks like. Guys, look at that. Look at that. What? See, this is like the perfect grip, like as in it's solid and it is incredibly lightweight. Nah, this is good. And look at that camera setup behind it. Triple camera setup just falling down straight. Makes it minimalistic design. It's beautiful. This is so 2019. By the way, this phone cost actually 77,000 naira. Keep that in mind. Also, this is the TECNO Camon 11 Pro. So maybe we can just actually see the, just make a little bit of comparison here. Bring this from the case and so guys, here you have it. I know it looks, identical in color, but I mean, this is a way prettier device than this. This is the Camon line and this is the Phantom. The Phantom is usually TECNO Mobile flagship, but I mean, this is just to show you that I think the brand is really putting in a lot of effort to see that they actually up their game while they still give you, value at that, mid-range kind of price point. Again, this phone costs 77,000 naira, which is quite surprising because I would expect that a Phantom coming in 2019 should cost a whole lot more than that. So, you guys keep that in mind. But yeah, I mean, nice. So let's just move on and see what else we have inside this box. All right, USB cable. I don't know if this is Type-C, but I guess you guys can find out on your own. This is the power standard break. This is the first time I'm actually like unboxing a TECNO phone and I'm finding a black headphone. Like I've never seen a black color before, but I guess imagine black, I think this really matches well. So yeah. So here you guys have it, the TECNO Phantom 9 in all of its glory. Like I said before, it's just the unboxing we are going to be doing here, and we'll be heading out now for the real world camera test. Come with me. Vlogs, travel videos, tutorials, travel video. Why did I forget after travel videos? Shouldn't this have come with like a knife?